Okay, Loose Maya, there's just some craziness going on. I'm not really sure. You can see the website I'm at, and I'm attempting to submit my student innovators, but it continues to ask some of the questions over and over. So when I go to submit, it asks for my name. I'm located in Arkansas. That's question 2. I'm at Danville. Of course, I'm Danville Middle and High School, so I'm just going to pick middle school this time. Then it asks me again to write the name of my school. I'm just going to put Danville there. Now it asks me where I'm located again. So again, I'm in Arkansas. Now it's asking me again, what school do I teach at? Ah, so I'm going to pick middle school again. And this does not look like the place for me to submit the student innovators because it's asking, like, are you involved with an EAST program? No. Those were the questions it asks when you're signing up for your initial, when you're initially signing up to be a Tech Start teacher. And I have an issue here with this question anyhow. What grade do you teach? Well, for myself, I teach all different grades. I teach 7th grade through 12th. And notice, even though I selected middle school on a previous option, it only gave me the choices for high school. So it only gave me the grades 9 through 12. So I'm just going to put a 7 there for middle school. What subject do you teach? I guess this question is okay. And it tells me I'm joining as a Tech Start School participant. That's not the button I clicked. I clicked on the sign up for student innovator. So, if you could check that out too, please. Thank you. We're just trying to tie up all of our loose